In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in the Spark app. If you spend a lot of time in your inbox, switching to dark mode can make reading more comfortable, reduce eye strain in low light, and even help save a bit of battery on some devices. Let's walk through the exact steps so you can make the switch quickly and confidently. First, open the Spark app on your device. Give it a second to load your inbox. If you're new to Spark, this is the email app's main screen where you see your messages. Make sure you're on the primary inbox view so the main menu is easy to access. Next, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap the three horizontal lines. This icon is often called the menu or hamburger icon, and it opens Spark's main navigation panel. If the panel slides out from the left, you're in the right place. This is where Spark groups together key options so you don't have to dig through multiple screens. Now in that panel, go all the way down to the bottom left and tap Settings. Settings is where you control how Spark looks and behaves. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the panel a bit to reveal everything at the bottom. Tapping Settings will take you to a dedicated screen with categories like Notifications, Accounts, and Visuals. On the Settings screen, tap Appearance. Appearance is the section that controls the app's overall look and feel, including color themes. Opening it ensures we're adjusting the right kind of visual setting, rather than changing something like text size or notification style. Under the Color Mode section, tap Dark. The change should apply instantly. Your background will shift to darker tones, with text and icons adjusting so everything remains readable. This darker palette is especially helpful at night or in dim environments, and it can make email sessions feel gentler on your eyes. If your screen already looks dark, that simply means it was previously set to dark mode and you're all set. Take a moment to glance through a few messages to confirm everything looks good. The interface should remain clear with sufficient contrast for your folders, message list, and reading pane. If you ever want to switch back later, you can return to the same appearance area and change the color mode again. That's it. Open Spark, access the menu, go to Settings, tap Appearance, and choose Dark under Color Mode. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more comfortable email experience with Spark in dark mode.